Yes, I can light the whole universe. I am different, I am purpose, I am brilliant. Yes, I feel it.
All right, beautiful, gorgeous ones. Doorknobs? Are you doorknobs today? I don't know what we are. But anyway, I just wanted, today is a collab with my girl Patience from Haute Bella Experience. And here she is right here. And Patience is one of us, you know, us mature ladies on, listen, us beautiful older ladies like vintage wine on YouTube, you know, because we are the new look of YouTube. You know, I'm just here to say that, you know, we are here, we are doing things a little differently and showing that becoming an older person, you know, does not mean that we have to, you know, fade away. And so I asked Patience because she does a lot of gorgeous tutorials. I mean, her stuff is so beautiful and, you know, she's very informative. She's very knowledgeable on the things she does. Hold on, I got an itch. Ooh, sorry. And one of the things is that she does not live by those rules they tell us as older women we must live by, you know, because there's this belief that as you get older, you got to put away your glitter. You got to put away your sparkle. You have to tone it down. We have to fade away into, you know, the ether while the young ones are vibrant and beautiful and you know, colorful. Well, we don't believe that. And so I reached out to her because I said, you know, let's do bold lip colors because I've seen some on her channel. And so I would love for you to watch her video. It's in the cards. It'll be in the description box. And also go visit her channel. Her channel will be linked in the description box also. So you could check out someone else who does bold, beautiful looks for us ladies and say, damn it, we are beautiful. We are older. We have lived and we don't have to be anything but who we choose to be. So please go ahead and check out Patience. And now let's talk bold lip colors. All right, so let's talk about bold lip colors. Now, for one thing, I just want to say this is that the reality is that yes, I love eyeshadows. People want to see tutorials, but when most women will wear lipstick, when you're not going to do your whole face, you throw on some lipstick. If you're a person, you might do some eyeliner and some lipstick. So I think I want to, you know, put in more lipstick videos. If you all would like to see that with colors and, you know, new things going out, let me know because I really think that I really love lipstick. Y'all know I do. And maybe we should put a little more of that into the channel to like give you all some new colors and you know, things like that. So let me know what you think about that. Now, first thing is, when you wear, I want to talk about how to wear bold lip colors, you know, how to rock them well, just in case you're kind of scared. Because I know a lot of women, these colors that I'm going to show you, you'd be like, nope, I can never wear them, but you really can. Trust me. The thing about bold lip colors, there's a couple of ways you can do it. You can either go with a really monochromatic look, which is, you know, really do your eye makeup, really do, you know, and go with the full monochromatic look. Or you can do something like what I'm doing today because I'm going to be using so many different lip colors. I wanted to go with just a basic neutral eye. I went with more of a cool toned eye with a wing. Now, the thing is, you can actually just do a beautiful wing, some lashes, and boom, and just put your lip color on and some eyeliner. You are good to go. If you are not comfortable doing a wing, just do a really nice, you know, do your eyeliner really beautiful, put some lashes on or get your mascara out. And I think I might do mascara routine so we can talk about how to really pop them lashes without even wearing false eyelashes. And then, you know, just have your face together and, you know, a very neutral face. And then boom, the lips, because the lips will be standing out because they're going to be so bold, so beautiful, so bright. Doing 5 today, and I picked out some 5 that I thought would be really fun, and one that's a little more doable, and then the other ones are super fun colors that I love. And so I wanted to share them with you. And as we go through, I hope you enjoy them. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up on your way out. Leave a comment. Do you have any, do you wear bold lip colors? What are your favorites? And also don't forget to hit the subscribe on your way out. I would appreciate that. All right. So time for some bold lip colors. See you in a minute. All right. So let's talk these bold colors. This is Midnight Wasabi by FENTY. Now this is a really nice green. Now when I went to swatch the FENTY colors, I was not planning on buying it, but once I tried it on, it was so cute, so I had to have it. I am looking for a dupe of it, a more inexpensive one. All right, next up is this color by Black Radiance. It's called Bad Gal. It's a beautiful blue color. Now, if you want this in a liquid lip, look for the NYX Liquid Suede and Jet Set, but I love this color. All right, now this is the NYX Suede Tube Lipstick in Ace. It's a beautiful cool tone teal color, but it's a deep teal color, so it's perfect to wear in this time of year, especially with a pair of jeans. All right, so now this is one of my favorite really funky colors. This is called Stone Fox by NYX in the Liquid Suede. Now this one is my way of wearing black but not wearing black, so it's such a pretty dark gray color because I'm really not into black lipstick, but this is kind of edgy like the black. Finally, I wanted to give you all something that was a little more, you know, wasn't quite so over the top. This is New Orleans by Ofra. I love this color. Such a bright, beautiful, bold purple color that is so gorgeous on the lips. So if you're scared of the other colors, this will be a great way to start. All right, it's your Lulu. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free. Have a great day.